Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to withdraw XRP from Binance to bank account. In order to do this, you first have to launch your Binance mobile application, and then you need to provide your email address and your password, and you simply need to log in into your account. Now once you are successfully logged in, you need to tap on the wallets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and then you need to tap on spot. Over here you are going to see all of the coins that you have in your Binance account. So over here you just have to including XRP. So first you will have to convert your XRP into USDT, then you can sell that USDT and get the money in your bank account. For that you need to come to the home page again, and after that you need to tap on this Binance icon in the top left hand corner. Then you need to tap on the option of more services, and in the more services you just have to scroll down and then tap on convert. Once I've done that, you will be landed on this conversion page where you will have to first convert your XRP into USDT. For that you will have to tap on this from section, and then after tapping on this drop arrow button you need to search for XRP. Then in the to section you will have to tap on it and you will have to select USDT. After that you will have to enter the amount of XRP that you want to convert into USDT, and then you need to tap on the preview conversion option in the bottom. After that you need to tap on convert, and this way you will be able to convert your XRP into USDT. Now you will have to tap on the wallets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and here you are going to see this transfer button in the top. So you will have to tap on transfer, and after that you will have to tap on this arrow button where you will have to search for USDT, and you simply need to select your USDT. Then you will have to convert your USDT from spot to funding. So you will have to tap on the max option, and after that you just have to tap on confirm transfer. Now once this step is done, you will have to tap on the funding option in the top, and here you are going to see the option of P2P. So if you tap on P2P, you will be landed on this P2P page. Now over here you want to sell your USDT, so you will have to select the sell option in the top, and then you are going to see a bunch of different merchants that you can choose to sell your USDT, and in return they are going to give you money in your bank account. So you need to make sure that you select the provider that has this yellow badge right next to their profile. If they have this yellow badge, it simply means that they are verified on Binance. So you just have to tap on the sell button right next to their name, and then you will have to enter the amount of USDT that you want to sell. After that you will have to select the payment method, and in the payment method you can select your bank account. So if you tap on this top arrow button, you can select or add your bank account into it. After that you need to tap on the sell USDT option, and then you just have to conclude your transaction, and this way you will be able to easily withdraw your XRP from Binance to bank account. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.